Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume in Canva step by step. Canva makes it easy to create a professional-looking resume using free templates and simple editing tools. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer. Next, sign in to your Canva account if you haven't already. Then, click the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type Resume. Select a resume template that you like. Next, click on the text boxes to replace the sample information with your own details. Enter your name, contact information, work experience, education, and skills. You can also add icons, shapes, or other design elements to make your resume look more professional if you want. Once you're finished editing, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then click Download. Finally, click Download to save your resume to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully created a resume in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.